Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl J Baby. If you are new, y'all, we have an exciting video today on Dossier. Dossier has some fragrances that I definitely would love to share with you. I am like really in awe about these fragrances this time because I got one that I traditionally love, and two other ones that I would not have even thought to purchase. But girl, I purchased them, and I'm like, what? Like, blow me away. So, if you would like to know what I am fragrancing today, then stay tuned. So, let's go ahead on and get into the video. So, I'm definitely going to get my favorite out of the way. That way, we can move on to some newer ones, y'all. I am like so excited. Dossier is just doing their thing, and I'm excited for Dossier. Down in the description box below, you will see a link that you can be able to go to Dossier. That way, you don't have to look it up on Google or anything. Just go to my description box, and you will see a link to get to Dossier as well as the fragrances that I am fragrancing today. Y'all, I cannot get past this fragrance. Once I smelled it off a Dossier, I'm like, you know what? It has to be my favorite. Okay, these are inspired fragrances. We already know for niche and luxury brand. Dossier is a house that is very affordable. You can get your fragrances for a fraction of the price. So these bottles right here are magnetic tops, and they are very chic, very beautiful bottles, y'all. So this one right here is Oriental Cherry. Oriental Cherry has to be my favorite of all of the Dossier that I have been wearing for a long time, and I need another bottle. So I went on and got the Ambery Cherry, and it's inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. Look how cute the boxes are. Dossier has new boxes and packaging and other things to come, y'all. So stick around, be on the lookout for those things, y'all, because you don't want to miss out. These are affordable. Where are you going to get Tom Ford Lost Cherry for this price? This is inspired, and we're talking about very close, very clean fragrances. They have the names that's inside of the notes, and if you speak that language, then you can be able to read it. But they also have it in English. So I'm going to go ahead and read the English side, which is cherry, almond, and tonka bean. All of the things that we love as girls, okay, who love gourmand scents and fragrances. So it says an explosive, decisive Shirley Temple with a burst of cherry, almond, and decadent ambery notes. This right here, you smell all the almond, everything in it, y'all. I love it. For me to get a second bottle is something that I love. This is what the packaging looks like. Very chic, very nice. I love the smaller packaging, y'all. And it has on there crafted in France. So these are made in France for you. That's what it says. Crafted in France for you. So, oh my goodness. I can never get this almond that's in here is so beautiful. And the cherry is so sweet. It's like a sweet tart type cherry, but it's sweet. But you can smell a little sourness to it a little bit. But it's not sour like in a bad way. It's sweet and it's juicy. Oh my goodness. I just had cherries the other day, y'all. And I'm going to tell you, I loved it for me. So let's go ahead on and give it a spray. Let's see what the atomizer look like. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this almond is so fresh and so beautiful with this sweetness of this cherry. And of course, the tonka bean. You smell it all. This is a very beautiful fragrance. Very beautiful fragrance. So this is what the older bottle look like. And this is what the newer bottle, those Dossier's bottle look like. So this is the same fragrance, y'all. And you can see mine has turned. And the reason why mine has turned is because when it sits for a while, the notes mix together and it really gives you that true smell. So I'm going to spray this one to see if this is smelling exactly like it. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's basically the same. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This smells so wonderful. So you see everything has mixed all the ingredients, y'all. I've had this for a while. Okay. And This is a newer bottle, so I'm happy to add it to my collection. So I can spray, 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 spray. This is like 2 times for me. Once I spray 2 times, I'm done. I am an oversprayer. I love to overspray. So it is what it is. I love to overspray. So this right here is my Ambery Cherry, guys, from Dossier. So the next one blew my mind. Baby, this blew my mind. This one right here is of the hour, and it's collaboration with Allyiahs. The box feels so nice and smooth, y'all. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels really like velvety. It's like a velvety touch. If you get it, you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so inside it said you smell intoxicating. I can believe that. When I got my hand on this scent right here, y'all, oh my goodness. Okay, this says I created of the hour to tap into our inner approachable dark feminine energy. This scent makes me feel like the sexiest woman alive while turning every head in its tracks. That's true, y'all. That is true. It's a scent that lingers and captivates. That'll never forget you when you're wearing this, baby. Okay. Mr. loves me in this. Okay. Mr. cannot get it together. Okay. But also, this smells like it can be unisex. Guys, yes, this is a unisex scent. All of the scents that I have are unisex scents. So, yes, no wonder Mr. be wanting to, he be like, okay, I love that. When he smelled these, he said, ooh, that smells so good. So, I want to go ahead on and put my glasses on there where I can be able to read the notes, y'all. So, the notes we have in here, it says about this perfume. It says, step out for a sexy night out on the town with this alluring and elegant fragrance to look good, feel good, and smell good until the sun comes up. Of the hour embodies cosmopolitan glamour with a deep, moody, and slightly masculine edge. This scent features notes of cedarwood, suede, and tonka bean, with its hints of spices and sweetness for a balanced finish. Embrace your spot on the fragrance VIP list with City Glamour bottled. The notes are almond coconut, pink pepper, chamomile, bergamot. Now, I thought the chamomile was different. Chamomile relaxes you, so that's probably why when you put it on, you get that relaxing type feeling. The middle notes is orange flower, white flowers, white wood, cedar wood. So I'm thinking the white flowers and the white wood. I'm thinking with the white flowers, they give you like somewhat of a little floor. Base notes is suede, vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin, and citrus. Citus, Cistus. The bottle is just really nice. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't expecting the bottle to be this nice. It's really nice. I love the color on the bottle. So it's a captivate with glamorous notes of cedarwood, suede, and tonka bean. Let's go ahead and give this a smell. I love it. It's gold, y'all. This bottle, to think about it, look, this bottle is gold, and this is silver. This is gold. Baby, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. You smell the suede. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh my goodness, y'all. That's what I get every time I smell it. Every time I smell it, I'm like, oh my goodness. The suede is very prominent in here. It gives me a cross of replica by the fireplace, as well as Killian Angel Share. So just think of Killian Angel Share and replica by the fireplace, and you will get this scent right here. I believe it smells so amazing. It smells like cinnamon in here. And actually, I had somebody else smell it. And as soon as I let them smell it, they were like, "Is cinnamon in it?" And I don't know. I don't see cinnamon in here, but it smells like it does have some cinnamon in it as well. But um, uh, what is it? Angel Share smell like it has some cinnamon in it as well. So it smells like this is a very beautiful, sophisticated, sultry. We're talking about very, very sultry date night Baby, listen, everybody in this lounge, everybody in this setting, everybody in the restaurant, everybody wherever you're going, they're going to be like, what do you have on? You smell amazing. This will leave a linger with it. This gave me every bit of about 7 hours, y'all. And it still was on my clothes the next day. But I'm talking about really strong during 6 hours. In the seventh hour, I still smelled it. The next day, you still smell it on you. This right here, you're going to have to wash your clothes to get this out of your clothes, okay? And it's still going to kind of linger. This smells so good, but it's not offensive, y'all. It's not offensive in no kind of way. It smells amazing. A very heavy hitting, sophisticated, sultry, luxurious type of suede, um, just so relaxing and just, I mean, this scent right here is just, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. This is a very, very sophisticated, I just cannot stop saying sophisticated, a very sophisticated scent right here. And I love this. And this one is of the hour, and it is in a collaboration by Allyiahs. So let's go ahead on and get into the last one. The last one, we have the box like this, which is, this is Dossier's packaging. But this, I believe, also is the Speak Easy collection. If I have not said it, this is the Speak Easy collection. Let's see. This is golden rum and amber. Let's see. The notes is bitter almond. Now, I see a lot of these. All three of these have almond in it. So I don't know what I was thinking if I, but it wasn't on purpose that I got all of them that has almond in it. But I love almond, y'all. I love cherry. I love anything gourmand. I love it. I love sweetness. I love not to, but this one, oh, also, this one smells a little floral, but gourmand. Okay, it's gourmand, but it has a little floral in it to me. I smell that as well. And by me still having it here, y'all, I have the box just sitting on my table, and it's like hitting me in my face. It's hitting me. So I know I'm going to have to move away from it and close it up because it's hitting me. And then the cherry is hitting me. So this place is lit up in here. So this one right here is golden rum and amber. And like I said, this is the Speak Easy collection. So in other words, it's Dossier Original Speak Easy collection. So the notes are, the top notes is bitter almond, plum, cade wood. The middle notes is rum, clove, cedar wood. The base notes are boxing, vanilla, tolu, balm, and candied fruits. So this is Dossier Original's unique blends. Happy sniffing. Okay, so let's go ahead on and get a sniff of this one. This one, like I said, is golden rum and amber. This smells, baby, this smells sweet, but this smells like some boobs, okay? This smells like rum. You ever had a rum and coke, y'all? If you are a drinker, okay, or if you're someone who would love a rum and coke every now and again, this smells like rum and coke, but it also smells like a Coca-Cola. This smells so sophisticated as well. This smells really nice, y'all. It smells really chilled. I'm getting another smell that I can't pick up on of another perfume, but I can't pick up on it. Oh my goodness, this smell. Yes, this smells like rum and coke, and it has like a little bubblegum smell to it. Y'all, it smells so sexy. This right here is sexy. It's refreshing. It's like, yes, it makes you happy when you smell it, y'all. But it's sophisticated. And the dry down is beautiful. When this dries down, y'all. Okay, let's try to spray this here. When it's dry down, it's like a warm, but rum, y'all. It's like it smells like a rum and coke. I cannot like a boozy type of rum and coke, but a little sweet. I mean, you can't describe it no other kind of way. I do smell the cedar wood. It's like that little smokiness in it, but the vanilla is. I smell the vanilla in here. It says candied fruits. That's probably why I smell some sweetness in here. But the bitter almond, you smell the almond. The almond is, you do smell the almond a lot, but it's not like it overpowers the rum. Okay, the rum you smell a lot. You smell a lot of the rum and a lot of the coke and the fruit. Beautiful, beautiful smell. Very beautiful. This is unisex as well, y'all. Okay, y'all. So this is my review on Dossier. Dossier has some very beautiful fragrances, y'all. I love the Dossier house. Um, so much. I say it in every video. I cannot not say it. I just love Dossier for the fragrances. I love it for the affordability. I love it for the clean fragrances that they put inside of these fragrances, how it's made. In other words, I love the fact that they have unisex. Like I have a fragrance that I love, and Bay can love the same thing that I love. Like, how cool is that? You know, that it's not just made just only for us. They have the men in mind as well. Dossier has fragrances for every occasion. If you're going to a baby shower, if you're having a wedding, if you're having an engagement, an anniversary, a Father's Day, a Mother's Day, a Sister's Day, any occasion, you can be able to get your hands on something from Dossier. They cater to every season, every event, anything that you have, they cater to it. The thing I love about Dossier as well is that if you are getting your products from them and you're like, okay, I'm not satisfied with it, you can return it and they will honor that. And like I said, in every video, they will honor it and they really care about you. So check their website out, and they're very affordable. I have not seen anything in there 59, 60, 70, 80, 100. I've not. Okay. The highest I've probably seen something was $49. And I think that was for the Baccarat, inspired Baccarat, because we know that that is popular as well. They have so many fragrances and coming out with so many more fragrances, y'all. So do not sleep on Dossier. People have to not stress.